Hello, kitty kitty, you want to be recorded right now? Really? Let me, I will be following you. Oh my god, I got spit on my phone. No. Anyways, so you little cat, you want to be recorded today? Don't run. Don't. Welcome to another video.
Here, it's Fox.
I'm out of here. I've got bigger mouse to eat. You can make it off. You could do it. There we go. Anyways, how did you feel to have a high shirt?
I actually don't know. Anyways.
Huh, I wonder. Anyways, how you feeling about this?
If you're new to this channel, I'm Foxy LOL, just so you know.
You mean the other video?
The other video that was posted
By XD YouTube.
Yeah.
I mean, look at those feet, am I right?
Yeah, black, just black.
You act so nervous. You're expecting like this to blow up 100,000 million views.
Yeah.
Oh my god. My most viewed video isn't even at 100.
I like your phone. I like how it's black and